Olabise bulungi, onyilila bulungi, fanana bulungi. Olabise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadda buuza nze nnyabo akavidiyo kakoleddewa.
Alright, yes, according to what we're going to see, like previously, I was trying to show you how you can always protect your natural hair with any protective hairstyle that you will love to do. And for that, I realized that something that is with kinky can always work for us. And this time around, this is what I'm trying to show you here, and you will tell me what you feel about this hairstyle. And then previously, what I showed you, we had thick hair, and it was really thick and very long. So this time around, it is a little bit short, not like the other one. So it means our extension, like to come out like the other one, we're just going to try to add in the extension that is not like the previous one, because I had got a comment, someone asking, like, if you have fine hair, what can you do when it comes to this kind of a hairstyle? So as usual, we're going to do this. We're going to use this hair called Afro Kinky. As you can see, this hair is what we're going to use. Then after, we're going to this is how it comes. So previously we used like half of it, but I think this time around we might use like the whole pack. The whole pack, we might use it because the body is going to be different. So as I told you, for those ones who didn't watch the previous video, I said that after we need to first add in some hot water, and I would advise it shouldn't be very hot. Let it be just like it is next to the hot, that boiled one. So then after this is how it looks. Then we're going to separate it. And since the natural hair, when you're twisting it or when you're trying to braid it, it always looks good with when it is moisturized. It's the same thing that we are going to do here. We make sure that it is also the hair, our kinky, it is still with water, so it can always blend with our natural hair texture. So for those ones who were asking me about, if you have short hair, what can you do? How can you plait this hair when you have short hair and it is fine hair? What can you do? So all I can say, what you can do is to add on the extension. Yes, the extension should a little bit bigger than the previous one when someone has got some thick hair. And then those ones who can always do it even without the extension, yes, it is also possible, like, to do it without the extension. So all in all, this is better. Even even that one without extension, it is also very okay. But we need to make sure that we follow the procedures. Those ones who would love the long ones, of course, it means you won't have to trim it in the middle like they have done it. So me, I'm cutting it because I'm going to do a bob format. So when you separate it this time around, it's going to be this way. Then after you pull it very well and you remove the small one, after removing the small one, it is like this. Then the small one is the one that you wrap in, just like that. So you make sure that where you're holding is where you're going to start braiding from. But those who are asking how long can this hair stay, and I would say it can take us from 1 to 2, but just because mostly we need to always to do repair in our hair. And when it comes to natural, remember, we're not trying to put the tension, it is just plaited. So you just count like the same time, like how long you can already stay with your natural hair twisted the same way. But though this one might be more, it can stay more than the natural loose twist. So let's continue and see how it is done, and trust me, you're going to love it. For now, let me try to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. Yes, Hair by Clippers with Z. And yes, we are located in Ntinda, Menissa's village. Yes, and those ones who were asking about our lessons, our teachings, yes, we do teach hairdressing, and that is Hair by Clippers School of Beauty. So you can always come and we do it for you. We have it here. You can always come and we teach you. Those ones who are very far, we have the online courses. You can also join and start learning online. So this is what we're going to be doing, but I hope you love the method. Why I love this method is that then inside the inward knotless is very, very good when it comes to protective, like being protective. And I know those ones who have ever tried it, you know what I'm saying. When it comes to this method, it is very, very nice. It protects the hair, and no matter how fine hair is, it can always be done to you. Like, this is the method that you can always use while you're braiding the kinky. So this is how it looks, and let's see how it is going to come out. But I would just I was trying to say that those ones who are very fun, you cannot get it, you can always go right on the www.darlingcompany.com, Darling Uganda, and get that hair extension. You can always get it from. So let's continue and see how it is going to happen. And please, I would like you to go right in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle, and I'll be there to answer you. And most probably, if you watch the video, make sure you give me a like. Yes, because we need to do this every day. Remember, this is the channel that you can always find all hairstyles. Yes, I make sure that I post all types of hairstyle for us to learn. And please don't forget to tell me where you're watching this video from. Yes, I always feel happy when you tell me where you're watching from, and I always answer you. Yes, that's how it is. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, but let's see how this going to look like, because all the procedures are taken. We can see them and we get to learn all this.
Yeah. It's Agar. Represent look of flow. Let's talk
brighter for tomorrow.
Yes.
Make a change, there'll be no sorrow.
That's right.
Wenange, tuyambe, tusobole, akufune dembe.
Yeah.
Oh, akufune dembe. Let's make the world brighter for tomorrow.
I can't see us,
'Cause I lost my sight,
and I can't breathe. You're my family, yes. Just let me be what I feel and how I was meant to be. Yes. Ngo wandeke na mabyange mba kane nabenge mbiri muna munyo wango wandeke na mabiri kuramucha ewansuba munde elubabiricha chikamba mane manene erilangira bandu abosiba nendeke haburibyo kwa chuwo hatrigere siwo buli mundu osa nendeke abandi babo banemukwa abandi sibawute necheridya abandi sibawute neherikesya abahimbira mayumba maeva nemutwala betu nyamuhanga tinakuhambireko changana ya oyo yuwito lwanzo habweri bichiryo kwa mundolya changana byano
brighter for tomorrow. We make a change, there'll be no sorrow. Wenange, tuyambe, tusobole, akufune dembe. Akufune dembe. Let's make the world brighter for tomorrow.
Gotta fight to the end for freedom. Nothing else to pretend got reasons. You and I, no friend, I'm a mission. This is what that belongs to me. Janga sabatu kolera hauma oyo wita tawita iwa muyamba chachindo chingalangira changa tuyamba habwaribe banjo kuitwe mudu tasoma emebiri yeju yabiribula ebyalya twahirire ibyakwa chetu siyere ni chuma chisali eri hamba nyamuhanga betu nayo matulu mainubu banemulwalo kwa sifuru babu banemu babinga ingekala hisi ngalengekanya nimuwasocho ngawita hoka banetu manyireki nakwa habariba bulisinga kuliso
brighter for tomorrow. We'll make a change, there'll be no sorrow. Wenange, tweyambe, tusobole. Okufune dembe. Oh, oh, okufune dembe. Let's make the world brighter for tomorrow.
Look at me, they don't know why they inside me. All they know is tired, they don't know what's me. Maybe you will know when my picture fades. Be like no light
When
to
my
the
picture
darkness.
fades.
I wish to be such a giver. At the final destination to give my liver. Go forgive everyone who wanna be a leader. Or some stuck now, who's gonna be a believer? Together, forever. It's you and I to make the world brighter. Nigga, let's keep just the paper so we can build the world and our future.
If this is time to end the world, Lord, give us some other time. We are forgetting what it said and follow what is in today. In today. In today. In today. In today. Day, day, day. Brighter for tomorrow. Brighter for tomorrow. Wenange, tweyambe, tusobole.
Let's make the whole world
brighter for tomorrow.
just you and me.
There'll be no
Together we can be for these children, right?
Proud of my language.
Easy life and no twaze kuchigonza. MDC here all bubu yaze kuchigonza. Easy combi kunacho hair zigonza. Yeah. No sanity feeling at all in a pain. In a shampoo condition and a treatment. Busy go bya batona bakulu and check this. Bigonza nakabidi no nevikanyiriza. Bikola kunacho straight hair bidizona. Easy comb for your hair. Yeah. Ne MDC. Holding a natural hair. Over straight hair. This one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. Holding a natural hair. Over straight hair. Yeah. This one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. Easy come. Easy come. This one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. Easy come. Easy come. This one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. said muchikumi we give it out tuleka you with the best to none anya wakana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody clippers we the best, everybody clippers we the best, everybody